Okay, we've got a Mitsubishi Outlander that has apparently had a new battery fitted and it is running like a absolute dog. We have this code P0657 for the ETV motor relay. So I'm not sure if that's electronic throttle valve, but what we're going to do is see if it's got a throttle reset. Okay, so the first thing we have to do for the relearn is turn the ignition on and then back off within 1 second, and then leave it off for 10 seconds and then start it, so we can start the process for relearning the idle. And then we need to start it up. Air conditioning has to be off, and we need to warm it up to 80 degrees. We don't have a temperature gauge, but basically it's going to be up around operating temperature, so we'll just feel our radiator hoses, get a fair idea of when it's getting up there. So I'm just holding my foot on the accelerator a bit at the moment to warm it up faster. Doing that, you want to be below 2.5. Don't want to go too high. But you can see it runs alright with your foot on the throttle. It's just that it won't idle. Okay, so once it has reached operating temperature, the next step is to let it idle for 10 minutes, and it's meant to work itself out. But doing this idle reset at this stage did not work for us, so we had to dig a bit deeper into what was causing this fault code. Oh no. Okay, so what I've done is come and found our EVT or ETV relay, which is this one here. Fits into here in this fuse box. Okay, and what I found, I tested this relay. This relay is all good. So to test it, you just want to apply power across the smaller terminals, make sure you've got continuity across the larger terminals when it switches. That was all good, but I was getting no power to these larger terminals. So I managed to go through a wiring diagram to track down the fuse, and it was this one here which was actually missing. So I've put a fuse in here now. So it's 8 across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I'm getting power here, so we will put our fuse back in, sorry, our relay back in, and we will see what happens now. Still idles the same. Let's just see if we can clear the code. No, it's still got the same fault code. Okay, so what we found, we put that through the process again, and what we found is that it didn't actually run smoothly on its own, but we let it run for the 10 minutes. It idled up and down, blah blah blah. What I did is I just let it sit, let it get cold again, and then started it up, and as you saw before, I've now cleared the code, but we now have a normal idle. Cool. So yeah, that shows you, if you have a P0675 and a Mitsubishi Outlander, that shows you how to basically go through the diagnostic process, check that relay, check that fuse, yeah, and then after that you're looking more like ECM or the throttle actuator itself. But just know when you go through that process to reset the idle, it won't necessarily by itself just start running smoothly. So yeah, it wasn't until I left it to sit to get cold and then started it again that it actually sorted itself out.
Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves, and also for the serious DIYers at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.